Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix second hard drive or SSD not detected in Windows 11, 10. First method is right-click Start button, click Disk Management. First initialize disk. Second method is right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Change drive letter. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Update all drives one by one. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.